This is Mtwapa Weighbridge. Mtwapa Weighbridge is one of the weighbridge in Mariakani cluster. In Mtwapa, we do not have a high-speed way in motion, so all the trucks weigh at the multi-deck. We only have one scale, the multi-deck, that is weighing trucks in both directions. That is Mombasa bound and the Malindi bound. That is why sometimes you find some traffic building up. A lot of traffic is from Malindi because a lot of materials come from Malindi side, that is ballast and sand.
Ako. And then, cross. Ako.
So we have a holding yard. When the truck are being detained, they are taken to the holding yard for either distribution or when they are grossly overloaded, or in a case where they cannot redistribute, they are charged, they pay fine and offload. At the other side we have a roadblock, and we also have a structure that is an office for census clerk who is busy recording empty trucks. We also have a policeman there and a vehicle inspector. So the policemen there, their work is to control traffic and make sure that there is smooth flow of the traffic. Thank you.